When we first got here, the spa was full to level. You can see the water line here. Okay, at the top operational level, the leak rate was 2.28 inches a day. Well, we plugged off the plumbing and we found the leak rate was still maintained. That means that the leak was in the structure. So we were able to, in a few short minutes, to use the LP2750 to determine that it's in the structure. Okay, well, doing a structure test, we found that there's a leak in this area of the spa right here. Okay, there's a leak right there. So I dropped the water level of the spa very quickly, did another test with the LP2750 and confirmed that the leak is no longer present, and we're down to 0.163 inches a day as indicated by the LP2750 on this leak test at 13 minutes. Now we know we've eliminated all the leaks. It's only that leak in the structure there at the top. We're able to tell our customer with confidence that that's the only leak in their spa, and we don't have to finish testing the plumbing or any other parts of the structure because we know we're done. That's one of the very valuable benefits of the LP2750 from Kona Labs. Eliminate callbacks completely, know where your leaks are at. It's a very powerful diagnostic tool for leak detectors everywhere. You can buy it online at konalabs.com.